Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the Communication and Rights Officer for YEPS. I'm nominating the Welsh Youth Parliament Voting Project for the Outstanding Active Participation Award. I believe this project deserves recognition as it has enabled young people to take part in an important part of life, voting. When YEPS ran Your Voice, young people stated they wanted to know more about democracy and voting and how it affects them in their lives. So when the Welsh Youth Parliament elections came around in November 2024, we decided that we would run a project to give young people the opportunity to take part in an actual polling day, featuring things such as polling cards, polling booths, and registering to vote. The project took place over 3 different schools during a week in November 2024, with nearly 1,000 young people taking part in the voting process. A lot of young people felt as though they were a bit nervous to take part in an actual election, as they didn't know what to expect, what it would look like, or even what it would feel like. Giving those young people the opportunity to take part gave them confidence to move forward in future elections, which is quite topical at the moment, with the voting age in Wales being reduced to 16 and the upcoming elections next year in 2026. We were fortunate enough to select 2 young people to the Welsh Youth Parliament, Caris and Megan. They will represent YEPS until the next elections in 2027. I just wanted to say a big thank you to every single young person that cast a vote, that took part in the process and made it such a success. I wish everybody good luck with this, and hopefully we can run it and make it even bigger and better in 2027.